but there's a side to me you don't know. Different to the child with the smiling photos. Made some decisions, some wrong, some right. Now strangers call my number when I'm sleeping at night.
Hi guys, it's Gattinu and today we're going to unbox the Apple Airpods. The Apple Airpods. So, as you can see, there you go. The box. And let's unbox these headphones. This is the satisfaction of opening an Apple product. So we've got the instructions here and we've got some stickers. And we've got the headphones themselves. Ooh, how small it is. Listen to this. That is an unboxing of satisfaction. So basically we've got the AirPods. They are inside their own charging dock. Apparently this charges as well. It's like a power bank. So let's open them. Oh, beautiful. So let's try to pair them with my phone. This should be easy. Oh, that was fast. So I'm afraid that you cannot see really well with the light of the phone. Sorry for the... Let's try it. Let's hit connect. Basically it is connecting with the... I'm afraid that you cannot see it really well. So basically we are connected with the headphones. That I think we can control as well. Volume down, and if we play a song, let's check. It should be connected with via Bluetooth. Apple AirPods. It's connected. If you can see down below here, it says Apple AirPods connected. Sorry, the camera's not focusing really well. There you go. So, and there we have the AirPods themselves. We've got two pairs. This one, this two, and normally you charge this little thing first, and they charge the headphones as well, the earbuds. Basically, there should be a sign of how much batteries you have. Okay, so here it will tell you on the phone or the devices that you have connected. Apparently, please focus. And it's focused. So we've got my phone, it's 49%, my Apple Watch at 63%, and then we've got the AirPods at 88%. And let's try to put them inside. These are magnetic. So you just place them there and they will pop by themselves. And there was a sign that they were connected and how much battery they have. When you open it, it will come up. When you close it, it's gone. So as you can see now, we have the AirPod case as well at 65% and it's gone. So it's disconnected right now from the phone, and when I just open the case, it will automatically connect with my phone. That is so cool. If I remove one of the earbuds, it will tell me the left and right how many battery it has. Left it has 91 and the right it has 92%. This is a really nice product. Apparently it has a touch as well to tap once if you are listening to a song. You just remove it from your ear and basically that's it. So guys, this is all for this unboxing. If you haven't seen my unboxing of the iPhone 10 Speck case, I'm going to leave the link below or up in this video. Stay tuned for more. Hopefully this month we're going to have Assassin's Creed Origins and Wolfenstein 2 to unbox, and beginning of next month we're going to do the unboxing of the long-awaited iPhone 10 and even Call of Duty World War II. I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did so, hit that like button, and if you want to stay tuned for more, hit that subscribe button. Thanks, guys, and I see you in the next one. Thanks.